Hello everyone, welcome back. And in today's video, we'll be looking at Nifty, Bank Nifty post-market analysis. Let's see what's happened with the market today. And also we'll be looking at Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow's important levels we'll be discussing in this video. So before that, if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please get subscribed to our channel. Let's continue right now. Okay. So what I'll be doing, I'll be opening a Nifty 50 chart right now. So today, let's see from last 2 days what happened. We'll analyze that. Okay, if I go to the 1 hourly chart, daily chart, I mean right now, Nifty. If you look at Nifty carefully, it's at the very crucial level right now. This is a decider, I think. From here, Nifty will decide which direction it wants to travel, probably. So if you look at this, this is a critical support for the Nifty right now. Multiple supports are there. And to support that today, we have, actually it is opened at the bottom and closed at the top. This is a sign of reversal in, I think, in my opinion. Let's see, probably from here there is a gap which Nifty is left. Probably that is where it is going to fill that gap and try to break this. Then after that, once it comes, and probably this may be the probable bottom which we are expecting. Okay, so this is this is like this is the way now I'm thinking that market can move. But that is we may not see some like V-shape recovery like this. And that is not angle we also want for a longer term good results. We need some sharp recovery to above the support, which is there here. And then after that, it can come back here like this and creating multiple swings like this. Slowly it start moving higher from August or September, something like that. So if it start recovering, it will be good, for us, I think, that is in a market. If you look at the market in a broader angle. Okay, so 1 month chart, if I go, okay, 1 month chart, if I go here, if I put a support, okay, so this is where hmm, the support, and exactly that is where we are sitting in right now. And if I go and see a RSI indicator, RSI, if I open a relative strength indicator right now, so this is, you can see it's at 52 right now. So it's relaxing right now. Little relaxation came in. Probably below this it can go, I thought, but probably it may stay above this and start moving higher above this. Okay, let me delete this RSI. So continuously 5 months it went. To this month probably it may take a support, but let's see. But continue, it's bearish. If it goes below, if RSI goes below 50, there is a probability it can go further down. If I go to the 1 hour chart, what can we expect from this? So usually it will go like this because of today's action. I said, I already told you. Otherwise, if it breaks this support, we can expect another, few thousand points downside. From here, there are two things can happen. Here it can bounce, or it can go another 1,000 points downside. Probably that's what I'm expecting. Okay. Or Nifty Bank, if I take a look exactly whatever I said about Nifty Bank, if you go back to my earlier videos and watch it, you can clearly see there is a support, right? So this is a support which Nifty Bank, third bottom it is creating. This is what I said. It may take a third bottom. That is exactly it is what happened with the Nifty Bank right now. It is taking a support. Probably this is a price action we are expecting in the coming days. Okay. um, hmm, here um, here there is a resistance. This is the support it took and come back and broke. And if it goes like this, then we can expect some upside momentum. The action which I'm showing right now, the probability that it can bounce. I don't see any downside in Bank Nifty. So because already gap is finished. Now how it is making a pattern, that we need to see that right now. Okay, and few stocks which are really standing tall, like KRN. If you look at this stock, in the falling market, it is standing very tall. This looks good. And also Mesogon, if I take Mesodoc, it also looks good actually in the coming days. We'll see how this is gonna perform in the coming days. This is my analysis for today. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll be coming with another video. Until then, please take care.